So first and foremost, I would actually like to start this off by saying thank you. Thank you for granting me the opportunity to be a part of Exec Board this year. Thank you for allowing me to step out of my comfort zone and do things I never thought I could do. Thank you for giving me the chance to give back to you everything that you have given to me. And I want to thank you all for also changing my life. None of you know this, but before I moved here, I lived in Aurora, Colorado. And during that time that I lived there, I hit rock bottom and became one of the worst kids you could ever meet. You see, in 6th and 7th grade at Columbia Middle School, I was someone that kids in all grades were afraid of. I would curse at everyone that passed me by. I would shout at and threaten people that I just didn't like for no good reason. And I just hated everyone and everything. But when I came here, it was your kindness, support, and generosity that inspired me to reevaluate my life and made me want to become the best version of myself that I could be. I came here as a stranger, but I was accepted with open and welcoming arms, and I'm eternally grateful for that. And I'm especially grateful for the opportunity to be on Exec Board this year, so that I can give back to all of you everything that you've done for me. That being said, I'm running again this year because I would love another opportunity to give even more back to this community. I would like to increase student and teacher involvement and inclusivity with ASB-related activities. I'd like to establish more direct line of communication between students, the Exec Board, and administrators. And have a ton more activities that can appeal to all groups of people here at EHS. Also, as of this year, we as a student body and Exec Board have really set the standards high compared to previous years. So not only do I want to go beyond this year's standards and make the most of next year, I want to leave this school with the tools and skills necessary for constant improvement, so that year after year, EHS can become better and better. At the end of the day, I'm just a guy with a simple dream. A dream that someday kids will come to the school with the thought of having fun, rather than wishing they could leave as soon as they walk through those doors. Now, I'm going to be real honest with you all and tell you that I'm in fact extremely nervous. I'm worried that I haven't done everything that I could have done this year to make it the best it could be. That maybe I didn't campaign as well as I could have. I'm worried I might not get to be on Exec Board next year, but I want all of you to know that I will do everything that I can, dedicate everything, maybe even sacrifice a few things to have the opportunity to give back to the school, to be able to help you make the most out of your time here at EHS, to give you a year that you can look back on and say, wow, I love that year. It would be such an honor and would mean the world to me if I got another chance to serve you all again and try to make next year the best year it could be. So thank you all for being an amazing and supportive student body. Thank you for making me who I am today. Thank you for everything. So much for being here and listening to everyone's amazing speeches. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you all. And remember, if you're ever looking for a smile, come talk to Kai.